everyone, this is Joy Sola and we're now here at Art Movement Studio for the Pro Beauty Makeup Workshop, and today is June 1, Saturday, and I'm here with the MMUA officer. She's Chi Molano, she's our marketing director. This is Thea, she's our president of Manila Makeup Artists Association. She don't have any makeup on.
Hence the zombie looking face.
And this is Miss Michelle de la Merced. She's our vice president. And this is Leah, our member, newest member of Manila Makeup Artists. The participants from the Pro Beauty. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Bea.
Bea and Lalaine. Zaki. Hi, Zaki. I'm Joyce.
From the Wizard of Oz, yung green. Yes, did you see that? The first ones who passed is Michelle and Miss Joyce. Sometimes we have beauty makeup. I would give you a very, very basic tip on taking care of your skin, because this is very important for you to have good makeup. If you have bad skin, it's very, very hard to put on makeup because you have to cover the skin. But if you have nice skin, like we have all nice skin, madali lang makeup ang ganyan, and you can settle with a so make sure that your face is clean. 4 years. I'm not sure if I'm gonna change and explore. Kayo kasi kapag yellow light, usually ang tingin nyo parang makapal na, pero hindi pa pala. Mas maganda kung halo, yellow and then white. At saka yung eyes, kung hindi naman talagang dark, pero gusto ko mag-highlight sa mata. Kasi pagod yung mata ko eh. Wala ko sa tubig. So para magmukha siyang buhay, lighter shade na concealer. Para magmukha. Pero don't dab it too much, baka matanggal na. Dapat may natitirang linya. Mamaya na. So this is very
Barbie.
Yan, Barbie.
Barbie.
Dito. Siguro para sa inyo, it's thick. This is not thick. This is really thick. Polish look mo. So you can go to the office or go wherever.
Actually,
This is,
polish look.
polish look.
Yay!
Getting it from the tear duct part.
Yes.
Start
Para
there.
faded na siya. Hindi ganun ka-intense.
That's so wow.
Here na, starting their makeup.
Saan niyo ba gusto? Sige, so dyan na lang. Ito na. This is what I did to Mika's face. Look at her finish. Pantay.
Yeah.
That is what you call, pag wala kayong flat brush and you want to use this technique, use a powder brush. Powder brush this thing. That one. This is what you call dry brushing. Dry brushing. From the cream foundation, if you don't have a flat brush, the same technique what I did, and then you use this. This is what you call dry brushing. Ang dry brushing theory and fundamentals is a technique used in painting sa canvas, yung pag painting. So, pag ginawa nito, sobrang kinis. Pag ginawa nyo ito sa paint, sobrang equal yung kulay ng
distribution.
By the way, if you want loose powder, one of the best powder that we can recommend you guys is called Ben Nye Banana Powder. We can give you a list. Before we all go, we'll give you a list of everything, of all the essential shops, where to buy, what to buy, where you can find us to add us on Facebook. So, pwede nyo kaming kulitin.
These are the finished products of their makeup workshop. This is Mika,
Roxy.
Roxy, ganda. This is Miss Taya,
Hi!
Miss Chi, hello. Miss Michelle and Miss Mylene over there. And then this is Miss Bea. Hi. Yes. And Miss Jackie. Polito. Cute daughter of Miss Michelle. Yeah. So yeah. We are now packing up our things and then successful. We're now here at Juanitos, taking our dinner, and we would like to thank our participants who joined the Pro Beauty Makeup Workshop batch 1. And yeah, what can you say?
Yes, we would like to thank you. We would like to say thank you to all our participants. Thank you for trusting us and thank you for having so much fun with us. We had a great day with you, and we'd also like to say thank you to Sir Gilb's Forum for taking all the before and after photos of the applicants, and to Mr. Oliver Tam, the owner of Arts Movement Studio, for being so friendly and accommodating all day. And there goes Miss Michelle and Miss Chichi Mulano.
So, would you like to thank someone or say something?
For joining our workshop.
She has a sore throat.
Sore throat to. We had a blast. And we are hoping to have a repeat. To repeat and more to come.
Okay. So, check out our Facebook page. It's Manila Makeup Artists Association, and I hope you guys would like our page and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also follow us on Twitter and Instagram. So, see you soon. Take care. Bye-bye.